This starts as a flat sheet and turns to this. These are the new valet trays from Makerflo, and they engrave beautifully. This is their laserette line, and just look at how amazing that looks. We have fancy gunmetal snaps and hardware, and what sets this apart is that it has this really awesome cord slot, so you can put your phone charger in there, and it's not going to be like going over. It has this really nice double-walled stitching, and it's just an all-around premium product. So let me show you how to elevate this product. That way you can start selling these in your business. So we're here in X-Tool Studio, and I have this topographic map pattern that I made. And I think it's going to look really nice on this valet tray. And so I need to figure out what settings I'm going to use for this. I'm going to go over to my settings sheet, and I'm going to come down here to X-Tool F1 Ultra, since that's the laser I use. Then I can find the material setting that I need, and you can get access to this sheet if you join my Facebook group. I'm going to do 50, 700, and then 300. All right, let's take a picture of the bed. And it looks like I'm measuring it. I got it right on the money almost, so let's frame it out and see. I think that's looking pretty good. I'm actually pretty happy with that. So let's see how long this will take. This will probably take a few minutes since it is a full engraving. This says it will take 30 minutes. All right, let's do it. That is a long time. So now that we have engraved our graphic on there, I want to put my branding on the back side. That way people know that I made it and they can always come back to it. But let's take a new picture of the bed here. And then I'm just going to push that up a little bit. And then I'm going to frame it out. That way I get this perfect. I'm just going to manually move this around until I think it's about in the center. That looks good for me. So let's hit process. This can take 14 seconds. All right, and there you go. We have my branding on there, and that just looks real nice. Now, I made mine 1 inch tall, but you can make yours as big or small as you would like. And this is what it looks like snapped together. But that's pretty cool. Love how this looks. And honestly, that just looks so amazing. Like, you can put all kinds of stuff in here.